Finding common denominators. As we found in the previous module, division led to a new set of numbers, fractions. In this module, we will be performing various operations with fractions. Let's get started. LCD stands for least common denominator. Here's a quick way to find LCDs. You list multiples of the larger denominator and stop when you find a common multiple for the smaller denominator. For example, if we're trying to find the LCD of 1/3 and 2/5, you find multiples of 5. So you have 5. Is that also a multiple of 3? It's not. So you move on. 10. Is 10 divisible by 3 evenly? It's not. So you move on. 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Is that a common multiple? Yes, it is. Therefore, this is going to be your least common denominator. For 3/4 and 2/9, you start with the larger, 9, and you list the multiples of 9. Then you go through and you see which one's a common multiple for 4. Is 9 a multiple for 4? No. What about 18, 27? Nope. But 36 is. So 36 is your lowest common denominator. You can use the set of skip counting sticks to find common denominators for two fractions with unlike denominators. If you don't have a set of sticks, you can create them by listing the multiples of the denominator. For the fractions 3/4 and 1/6, you line up the sticks this way for the denominator of each fraction. So you have a stick here. The denominator is 4. So you take 4 and then you have multiples of 4. So 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, and so on. And then you do the same thing for 6, because that's the denominator of the second fraction. So in the first square you have 6, then 12, 18. You just keep going for all the multiples. What you're going to do then is just find the smallest number in both of the sticks that's common in both fractions. So here we have 4, 8, 12. Here we have 6, 12. So 12 is the smallest number that both of these sticks have in common. So the least common denominator of 3/4 and 1/6 is 12.